Welcome to Bestsellers Market. Today, we're diving into a countdown of the best-selling cooling and water pump tools on Amazon. These tools are top-rated by users and have proven themselves in efficiency and reliability. So, without further ado, let's get started.
Introducing the Tool League 2 PCs Fan Clutch Wrench Set. This top-tier toolkit is your ultimate solution for fan clutch removal, tailored for BMW, Ford, GM, and Chevrolet vehicles. Let's dive into what makes this set number 5 on our countdown of best-selling cooling and water pump tools on Amazon. Fitment. Versatility is the name of the game. Whether you're working on a Ford, GM, BMW, or Chevrolet, this fan clutch removal tool is your go-to companion. It's compatible with a broad spectrum of models including S50, B32, S50, B30, S54, S38, 1997 Z3 1.9, S14, M73, M70, M60, M56, M54, M52, TU, M52, M50, M44, M40, M30, M20, M10, M4 540i, 533i, 530i, 330i, 328i, 325i, E1997, E54, E46, E39, E36, E30, and more. It's designed to fit seamlessly with a variety of vehicles, making it an essential addition to your toolkit. Premium material, durability and reliability come standard. Crafted from hardened CRV steel, this fan clutch nut wrench set boasts exceptional hardness. It's built to withstand rigorous use, ensuring a longer service life. Say goodbye to worries about breakage and hello to a tool you can count on. Easy to use. Simplicity meets efficiency. Installing the pulley holder bar is a breeze. Just insert the bolt into the hole and lock it to the water pump's surface. Place the wrench on the fan clutch nut and with a swift clockwise turn using the included 32 mm or 36 mm wrench, you're done. It's that straightforward. Features: extra leverage, sure grip. This fan clutch wrench and holder have been lengthened to give you the extra leverage you need. Tackling those hard-to-reach fan clutch nuts on metric hot stick fans has never been easier. Plus, the comfortable PVC handle ensures a firm grip, reducing slippage and fatigue as you work. Package includes everything you need all in one place. The set includes a 36 mm x 32 mm wrench, a fan clutch holder, and an organizer bag for easy carrying and storage. It's convenience and functionality wrapped up in one comprehensive package. Ready to elevate your toolkit with the Tool League 2 PCs Fan Clutch Wrench Set? Experience the perfect blend of versatility, durability, and ease of use, making your maintenance tasks smoother and more efficient.
Now let's unveil the number 4 product on our countdown of the best-selling cooling and water pump tools on Amazon. Meet the Fan Clutch Wrench Set, a must-have for anyone serious about engine maintenance. Effortless fan clutch removal. Picture this. You're in the middle of a complex engine job and you hit a snag with a stubborn fan clutch. Fear not. This set includes both 32 mm and 36 mm fan clutch wrenches, along with a fan pulley holding tool, designed specifically to make the removal of temperature-dependent viscous fan clutches a breeze. It's the ultimate toolkit for enhancing your engine maintenance capabilities. Accurate matching and compatibility. One size fits all? Not quite. This fan clutch removal tool is compatible with a vast array of vehicles from BMW, Ford, General Motors, and Chevrolet. We're talking models like E46, E36, E30, E39, E54, 328i, 330i, 533i, 530i, 540i, 325i, M4, M10, M20, M30, M40, M44, M50, M52, M52, TU, M54, M56, M60, M70, M73, S14, S38, S54, S50B30, S50B32, and even the 1997 Z3 1.9. It's a toolkit that fits the bill for a wide range of needs. Galvanized carbon steel and comfortable grip. Durability meets comfort. Each wrench in this set is crafted from heavy-duty structural steel, ensuring reliable strength along the entire shaft. Plus, with further galvanizing treatment, these tools resist wear and corrosion, even under harsh conditions. And let's not forget the grip made from comfortable, wear-resistant materials. These wrenches are designed for ease of use and comfort, no matter how long the job takes. User-friendly design, simplicity at its best. Attach the pulley holder bar with your bolts, secure it on the water pump face, place the fan clutch wrench on the fan clutch nut, and turn clockwise using the 32 mm or 36 mm spanner to loosen the nut. If the tool's hole sizes are smaller than the bolts holding the pulley wheel to the water pump, simply remove the bolts and effortlessly reinstall them over the bar. It's a straightforward process designed to save you time and hassle. Easy disassembly of fan clutch. Engine maintenance just got easier. This kit, with its 32 mm and 36 mm fan clutch wrenches and fan pulley fixing tools, makes disassembling temperature-related viscous fan clutches a cinch. It's the perfect set to make your engine maintenance tasks smoother and more efficient. Ready to upgrade your toolkit with the fan clutch wrench set? Discover the perfect blend of durability, comfort, and versatility, making your engine maintenance tasks simpler and more effective. Introducing number 3 on our countdown of the best-selling cooling and water pump tools on Amazon, the 32 mm 36 mm fan clutch wrench removal tool set. This powerhouse set is engineered for excellence, bringing unparalleled ease and efficiency to your engine maintenance tasks. Easy to use. Simplicity meets efficiency with this water pump pulley holder. It's meticulously designed to make the removal of lock nuts on temperature-dependent thermoviscous fans a breeze. Just hold the water pump pulley securely in place while you loosen the radiator fan. It's straightforward and effective, especially with gloves for added convenience and protection. Wide application, versatility at its finest. This two-piece water pump removal tool is compatible with a range of models from Ford, GM, Chevrolet, and BMW. We're talking M4, M10, M20, M30, M40, M44, M50, M52, M52 TU, M54, M56, M60, M70, M73, S14, S38, S54, S50B30, S50B32, and many more. It's a must-have for a wide variety of vehicle maintenance needs. Upgrade design, innovation that enhances your work. This fan clutch wrench and holder have been lengthened to give you extra leverage, ensuring a firm grip when dealing with hard-to-reach fan clutch nuts on metric thermoviscous fans. Service your timing or water pump quickly and effortlessly. Plus, the handy PVC sleeve in the middle prevents slipping during prolonged use, making your tasks smoother and safer. Premium material, built to last. This fan clutch nut wrench set is made from high-duty steel, heat-treated to ensure maximum sturdiness and stability. It's corrosion-resistant and wear-resistant, promising reliable performance and a long service life. Durability and dependability are the hallmarks of this exceptional tool set. After-sales description. Your satisfaction is our priority. If you have any questions or issues with the tool, don't hesitate to reach out. We are committed to resolving your problems promptly. Plus, with our lifetime warranty, you can have peace of mind knowing that your purchase is protected. Elevate your engine maintenance with the 32 mm 36 mm fan clutch wrench removal tool set. Experience the perfect blend of ease, versatility, and durability, making your toolkit more efficient and reliable. Are you enjoying the countdown of the best-selling cooling and water pump tools on Amazon? Well, don't let your engine overheat. Subscribe, and hit that bell icon to stay cool with all our latest updates. Securing the second spot in our countdown of best-selling cooling and water pump tools on Amazon is the Coluck Fan Clutch Wrench Set. This exceptional toolkit is your ticket to effortless fan clutch removal and replacement. Remove and replace automotive fan clutches. Enhance your toolkit with the Coluck Fan Clutch Wrench Kit. This set features 32 mm and 36 mm fan clutch wrenches and a fan pulley holding tool, engineered for the seamless removal of lock nuts on temperature-dependent viscous fans. The holder bar locks the water pump pulley securely, ensuring precise fits and substantial cost savings. Say goodbye to complex, time-consuming tasks and hello to efficiency. Built to last, durability meets functionality. The 15 inches fan clutch wrench and holder are specially lengthened, providing extra leverage and a sure grip when working on hard-to-reach fan clutch nuts on metric thermoviscous fans. The rubber handle, strategically covered in the middle, helps prevent hand fatigue during prolonged use. Built to withstand rigorous tasks, this set ensures you can service your timing or water pump swiftly and effortlessly. User-friendly design. Simplicity at its core. Attach the pulley holder bar with bolts through the holes, lock it in place on the water pump face, place the fan clutch wrench on the fan clutch nut, and turn clockwise using the 32 mm or 36 mm spanner to loosen the nut. If the tool's hole sizes are smaller than the bolts holding the pulley wheel to the water pump, simply remove the bolts and effortlessly reinstall them over the bar. It's designed for hassle-free, smooth operations. Fits your vehicle. Compatibility galore. This fan clutch wrench set is your go-to for various BMW, Ford, GM, Dodge, Chevrolet, and Jeep models. However, note it's not fit for specific Chevy and Ford models like the Chevy Astrovan, 2003 Ford F-155.4 engine, 2007.3 Power Stroke F-250, 2005 Ram 2505, 9L, among others. Compatible with a wide range of BMW models, including E46, E36, E30, E39, E54, 328i, 330i, 533i, 530i, 540i, M4, M10, M20, M30, and many more. It's designed to meet diverse automotive needs. Essential for mechanics. Mechanics rejoice. This Coluk fan clutch removal tool. Set streamlines the often tedious task of water pump and fan clutch replacements. Equipped with 32 mm and 36 mm fan clutch wrenches and a water pump pulley holding tool, it's an indispensable set for any mechanic. Transform your toolkit with this trusted assistant, making your maintenance tasks smoother and more efficient. Add it to your cart now and elevate your engine repair game. Unleash the power of precision, efficiency, and durability with the Coluk fan clutch wrench set. It's more than a tool. It's your reliable partner in automotive maintenance. Finally, we've reached number 1 in our countdown of the best-selling cooling and water pump tools on Amazon. The ZKTOOL 32 mm and 36 mm fan clutch wrench set takes the top spot, and for good reason. This is the toolkit every mechanic dreams of. Precise vehicle compatibility. Tailored for precision, the ZKTOOL fan clutch wrench tool is compatible with an extensive list of vehicles. From BMW and Ford to GM and Chevrolet, it fits models like E46, E36, E30, E39, 328i, 330i, 533i, 530i, 540i, 325i, M4, M10, M20, M30, M40, M44, M50, M52, M52, TU, M54, M56, M60, M70, M73, S14, S38, S54, S50B30, S50B32, and even the 1997 Z3 1.9. However, please note, it's not fit for Chevy Astrovan and certain Ford models, such as the 2003 F-155.4 engine, a wide-ranging fit for a broad spectrum of needs. Effortless fan clutch removal. Say goodbye to arduous fan clutch removals. This set includes both 32 mm and 36 mm fan clutch wrenches and a fan pulley holding tool, making the removal of temperature-dependent viscous fan clutches a seamless task. It's designed to enhance your engine maintenance capabilities, turning what was once a laborious task into an effortless process. Durability and comfort. Built for longevity and ease of use, the 15-inch fan clutch removal tool wrench and holder are elongated, providing extra leverage and a secure grip. The middle handle is covered in rubber, reducing hand fatigue during extended use. This combination ensures both durability and comfort, making your job easier and more efficient. User-friendly design, engineered for simplicity. The kit includes a pulley retention bar that easily locks onto the water pump surface, providing a stable base for fan clutch removal. To operate, place the fan clutch wrench on the fan clutch nut and turn clockwise using the 32 mm or 36 mm wrench included in the kit. If the tool's hole size is smaller than the bolts securing the pulley to the water pump, simply remove the bolts and easily reinstall them on the rod. It's designed for hassle-free use, ensuring a smooth operation every time. Essential for mechanics. Mechanics, this one's for you. Bid farewell to the time-consuming and frustrating process of clutch fan removals. The ZKTOOL fan clutch removal tool. Set streamlines the replacement of water pumps and fan clutches, significantly reducing maintenance time and saving you both time and effort. It's an indispensable set, perfect for your toolkit. Upgrade your maintenance game with the ZKTOOL 32mm and 36mm fan clutch wrench set. Precision, ease, and durability wrapped in one. It's not just a tool, it's your new best friend in the workshop. We hope you enjoyed the countdown of the best-selling cooling and water pump tools on Amazon. To stay updated with all the top sellers, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Check the pinned comment for links to all the products we discussed today. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.